wee tip here, guys. If you want to keep something straight, and that's actually level. It doesn't look level because the wall is sitting way in, but basically I'm going to cut a wee check out of it here so that it's off this wall. So they think that it could be helping bridge dampen, so we're going to cut that wee check out of it and allow airflow. But that, to me, that wee tip off I made of mine. Basically just nail that up plumb and level, and then just saw that off and give you somewhat of a straighter cut. Probably should do that a wee bit better on my own window than the one I cut out, but here we are here, doing it right. So took the wall away, a couple of bits that were tied in, and there was damp issues in both houses in this corner, and pretty sure I found it. Just lots and lots of build up here of crap. So I'm gonna dig it right down as low as my hand will get me. Might even pop that brick out just to get a bit lower. Get this all out. And I bet you that sorts the damp pretty much on its own. What big holes and what big damp, right?